sponsored by Julie's Wags and Whiskers, located at 362 East Hospital Road. Contact them at 1-812-723-3110 for more information.
Good morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Wednesday, November 7th. NHS and NJHS are sponsoring a food drive until November 9th. Please bring all donations to your first period teachers. The first period with the most items per student will earn a breakfast treat. Yearbooks are for sale for $35 in Mrs. Nichols' room. You can drop off your money for your yearbook in the office or in room 115. If you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Nichols. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. Help make a child's Christmas wonderful. Bring small toys, shoe boxes, school supplies, or hygiene items, like washcloths or toothbrushes, to Mrs. Wishart's room by November 16th. And now to Audrey with the Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. In honor of football advancing to regionals, we are having dress-up days this week. Today is Wacky Socks, tomorrow's Camo, and Friday is All Out Purple and Gold. There will be a fan bus this Friday for the regional game at Southridge. Sign up in the office. It will be $8 for entry to the game. Back to you, Joni.
Drama Club will be performing the comedy 30 Reasons Not to Be in a Play Thursday, November 13th through Saturday, November 17th at 7 p.m. in the auditorium. Tickets are $3 for students and $4 for adults. And now to Ian Wilder with your weather report.
For weather today, we will not have a chance of rain as we go through your day, but as we do head through your week, we do have some slight chances of rain as we go into the weekend. For your weather today, we have a high of 64 and a low of 44. Heading through the rest of the week on Thursday, we have a high of 57 and a low of 44, and ending out your week on Friday, a high of 52 and a low of 41. Back to you.
I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.